How to set up voice control in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option accessibility. Now click on accessibility. After clicking on accessibility, then scroll down and in physical and motor section you can see the option voice control. Now click on voice control, and if you want to set up your voice control then click on learn more, and here you can set up your voice control. You can read these commands and then click on done, and here you can turn on or off your voice control. So this is the way to set up voice control in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.